Did you know that only 11% of people in the United States feel they've achieved financial freedom? In the UK, over 8.3 million people are over-indebted. Meanwhile, in Canada, nearly half of households carry credit card debt with an average balance of $4,200. In Australia, the household debt-to-income ratio is a staggering 189%. Even more shocking, 69% of households across these countries have less than $1,000 saved for emergencies. Yet, 60% of people still believe financial freedom is achievable. So, how can you break free from debt and take control of your finances? Let's dive in. The first step is understanding your debt. List all your debts, credit cards, student loans, car loans, and include the total owed, interest rates, and minimum payments. Not all debt is equal. Good debt, like a mortgage or student loan, can increase your net worth, while bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, drains your finances. Did you know the average credit card interest rate in the US is over 20%? Tackling high-interest debt first is crucial. Now, let's talk strategies. There are two popular methods. The snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first for quick wins. The avalanche method, where you target the highest interest rates to save the most money. For unmanageable debts, consider consolidation to combine them into one lower interest loan, but watch out for hidden fees. Managing debt is about creating habits that keep you debt-free. Start with a budget, like the 50/30/20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, to avoid falling back into debt during unexpected events. Increasing income through a side hustle or passive income streams can also accelerate your progress. In the UK, for example, side hustlers earn an average of £360 monthly. And remember, avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to spend more. Channel that extra money toward your financial goals. If you feel overwhelmed, seek professional help. Credit counseling agencies can create personalized repayment plans. For severe cases, consulting a financial advisor or lawyer can help explore options like bankruptcy. Achieving financial freedom might feel challenging, but every small step matters. Start by listing your debts, choosing a repayment strategy, and building better habits. Here's your challenge: take one actionable step today. Create a budget, pay extra on a high-interest loan, or start tracking your expenses. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money. Together, we'll turn your financial goals into reality. Thanks for watching.